Welcome back to Auto Insider. Today, we're diving into the ultimate travel companion, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome. Imagine luxury, performance, and innovation rolled into one sleek, mobile package. Buckle up because this one's packed with surprises. Volvo's 2025 Motorhome redefines what it means to hit the road in style. From the outside, its aerodynamic design sets it apart, combining sleek Scandinavian elegance with rugged durability. The expansive front grille, signature LED headlights, and clean lines make a statement wherever you roam. But it's inside where Volvo truly works its magic. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a luxury suite on wheels. Step inside and you'll be greeted by a spacious, meticulously designed interior. The premium materials, think sustainable wood finishes and plush leather seating, create an ambiance of understated luxury. The layout is intelligent, maximizing both comfort and utility. A fully equipped kitchen, cozy sleeping quarters, and a modern bathroom with water-efficient fixtures ensure you feel at home even in the middle of nowhere. Now let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome boasts a powerful yet fuel-efficient turbocharged engine designed to deliver smooth acceleration without guzzling fuel. Plus, Volvo's advanced hybrid option means you can travel farther with a smaller environmental footprint. And with its all-wheel drive system, this motorhome isn't afraid of challenging terrains, whether it's winding mountain roads or sandy coastal paths. Safety, as always, is a Volvo hallmark. The motorhome comes equipped with the latest in driver assistance technology, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and Volvo's innovative pilot assist system. The smart parking sensors and 360-degree camera make maneuvering a breeze, even in tight campsites. One standout feature we can't ignore is the integrated smart system. Control everything from lighting to climate with a simple voice command or through the intuitive touch panel. Plus, the connectivity options keep you online, even in remote locations. Imagine streaming your favorite shows or managing your route with real-time traffic updates. No stress, just adventure. Price starting at around $140,000, the 2025 Volvo Motorhome offers exceptional value for what you get. It's more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle upgrade for road trippers, adventurers, and comfort seekers alike. Tomorrow, we've got another exciting new feature to share that's set to revolutionize travel even further. So stay tuned. And of course, don't forget to check back for our next review. There's always something exciting in the pipeline here at Auto Insider.